Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the Elytra to your chest slot and checking durability. You want it healthy so you do not break mid-flight. Once done, load a stack of fireworks into your inventory. Each firework equals 1 boost, so you have reliable thrust. Make sure to carry food, a shield or armor, and ender pearls for emergency recovery. These reduce risk if you misjudge altitude. Now move to a high point or airplane-style launch runway to begin gliding. You start the flight by jumping from a height and immediately activating the Elytra with the jump key to enter glide. You want stable forward momentum before boosting. Once gliding, use 1 firework by right-clicking. This gives a quick burst. If you hold too long, you waste duration, so tap for controlled thrust. Adjust your pitch. Look down a bit to increase speed and shallowly up during a boost to convert thrust into altitude. Repeat controlled boosts to maintain distance and conserve fireworks. You finish the flight by managing resources and knowing recovery options. Conserve fireworks with short-timed bursts and reserve them for climbs or sudden obstacles. If your Elytra gets low on durability, repair it on an anvil with a phantom membrane or equip mending to fix with experience. This keeps you airborne longer. If something goes wrong and you start falling fast, use a firework right away for a last-second boost, or aim for water or throw an ender pearl to avoid fatal impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.